I stopped to buy some candy. The lad who sold it had such charm. I talked with him, he seemed so glad. If I were late, he'd do no harm. And as I left, he said to me, I thank you, you've been so kind. You see, he said, I'm blind. Oh God, forgive me when